night come, can't go on my bed enough. So what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet your 10.
Let's see it. Check.
Check it, really check this up. Everything now.
Alright, let me see what it is. Well,
Time.
2 pairs. This is where I've been fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm not wrong with truth or dare, you know. You sure I can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you will go first then. Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you don't go so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they forward yourself, you'd have put it on them?
Yeah.
Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes? Poppy, alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna soft like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for 620x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason? The devil's pitney himself? May I do it still? Alright, do you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? There. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with?
Yeah. Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this I feel next time. We'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor.
Hello?
Hello, is this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital.
He's had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decide to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know I say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You wanna have a good time? A good time you're gonna get. Meanwhile, we wait on the food. I get to know each other. How you like the bus stop? Amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember, some have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Boy, I have to leave work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come home, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. We have to tell us something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the it was just fun. It was just fun and games, and it was all over, but I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean it was just fun? It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No, I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow, basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment. But it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! We're crazy.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house, and there's no food. So I'm kind of stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple days now. So can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything
It's
is
okay. It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So let's go in.
Okay.
Oh. Hey. So you can believe the bread actually put me out. Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
Oh, now go. Big up on yourself. Now, yes, me know it done too quick, but this are the longest one so far, and because we get a little bit more support each time, yeah, we try to limit the amount of people that we use because, as me say, the resources. So, yeah, me know I tell yourself for your first time over here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're there for a long time, just leave a like on the video. And if it's your first time to leave a like, do all the good things them to make the video get more traction, so you can afford to probably turn this into a series. And until then, little more. And big up the members them. I'm encourage more people to become members. Please, there will be a link in the description. Until now or until then, soon a little more. Yes. Action.
I got a dare to get.
No,
this.
yeah.
Say, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Action.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go.
Action.
Yeah.
Action. Action.
So, natural.
Wait, that was too quick. That was too quick. Yeah, that was too quick, Akin.
Did you what you were like? Oh. All right. In that case, truth or dare? No, it's your turn.
Your turn. Ready?
So.
No.
Yeah, that. No.